Zero Mind Meditation. Welcome to Zero Mind Meditation, a powerful method to empty the mind, awaken awareness, and touch the silence of your being. This meditation is a journey through 3 simple stages: gibberish, silence, and the surrender. Stage 1, Gibberish, conscious release. In the first stage, we use gibberish, meaning speaking in nonsense sounds without forming any words or known language. Why gibberish? Because the mind is a machine of words. Thoughts constantly flow in language. By breaking this chain with sounds that carry no meaning, you throw out mental clutter and emotional garbage. You don't need to control anything. Just let go, shout, cry, sing, mumble, laugh, roar, or whisper nonsense. Allow your body to join in, jump, shake, lie down, or dance. Go totally crazy, but consciously. The point is not what comes out, but that you empty yourself completely. This stage usually lasts for about 30 to 40 minutes. Stage 2, silence, witnessing awareness. After releasing everything through gibberish, you enter silence. Sit down with your spine straight, close your eyes, and simply watch. No effort, no struggle, just awareness. Thoughts may still appear, but don't fight them. Don't judge. Just observe them as clouds drifting in the sky. This stage is about becoming the witness, watching your body, your thoughts, and your feelings from a distance. As you continue, silence deepens, and you begin to feel the stillness that exists beyond the mind. This stage also lasts for about 30 to 40 minutes. Stage 3, the surrender, let go. Finally, it is time to surrender. Simply allow your body to fall back, lying down on the floor. No control, no resistance. Let go as if you are dropping a heavy burden. In this moment, you experience the deepest relaxation. Remain aware, but without effort, knowing you are not the body, not the mind, but pure consciousness. This stage takes you beyond both activity and inactivity, into the transcendental. Zero Mind Meditation is more than a technique, it is a doorway to freedom. Stage 1 clears the active mind, Stage 2 quiets the inactive mind, and Stage 3 dissolves both, leaving you in your pure essence. Try this meditation for 7 days in a row, and you will notice a deep shift in your awareness. Remember, go fully into gibberish, rest completely in silence, and surrender totally in the end.